So that's what we call Grenada Pelau, guys. Beautiful, look good. I hope it tastes good. I'm gonna confirm. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that beautiful color. Sea color. Delicious. Sea color. Alright guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we're gonna cook up some pilau. Trinidadians call it chicken pilau, but most places in the Caribbean call it pilau. Africans call it pilau. In France it's called pilau. So basically I believe pilau is one of the most common food all over the world, through the planet, because lots of people knows it. Some people say it's Trini pilau, it's Trinidad pilau, but again Africans have also claimed pilau. So I don't know where it's actually from, but I know we do cook it in Grenada. So I have some chicken here that already been marinating all night last night. I know it's gonna be good. I know this one's gonna be good. Color is looking good, sea color. So I'm gonna go to the stove and we're gonna put it on the stove. So I'm gonna add some some of my black peas in there, and we're gonna mash it up. Let's see how it turns out, guys. I'm gonna take this to the stove. I'm gonna get a nice big pot and put it up on the stove. All right guys, so I'm gonna put my chicken in. So I live in Canada, so we don't brown sugar in Canada because of the smoke alarm. Any little smoke, it makes a lot of noise. So in Canada we don't really brown sugar as we do in the Caribbean. We buy the brown in the shop and we put it in our food. So some people like to put their chicken in and the rice in there together. I don't like to do it like that. I like to make sure that my chicken is a little bit cooked first before I put my rice in there. So I'm gonna let that brown a little bit, and after that brown and cook a little bit, I'm gonna put my rice in there. Of course, we have to have your coconut in there. Everybody, coconut is one of Caribbean main flavor or main ingredients in any food that we cook in. We have to throw a little bit of coconut in there for flavor. So what I do, I usually put the coconut down in the bottom, because again, I say we live in Canada and I don't have the luxury to be getting fresh coconut from the tree or from the market like you do back home. So I have to use the coconut milk or the frozen coconut. So I usually put it in the bottom, let it melt out, and I'm gonna come back just now in a few minutes with the rice and stuff. But let's let that do its own thing. It's been in there quite a while. Chicken is nice and brown, so I'm gonna put in my rice now. That's beautiful color. Nice. Beautiful. I'm gonna also throw in my peas in there. Get everything nice and brown. That's beautiful. The color, nice and brown. Like I said, sea color. That's how you get your pilau. Brown, almost black looking pilau. See that in there? Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Good. Looking good. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Also throwing some carrots in there. Cicola. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. 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 Alright, y'all. This is ready. Make sure the stove is done. Get some spoon. I'm gonna take some out. I'm gonna confirm the taste. That is looking good, guys. I'm gonna get me some. It's nice and juicy. It's not burnt out. I'm making a mess. Yeah, that is what I'm talking about. Nicola. All right, a little bit more. All right, let's go over to the Nicola spot. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that, guys. It is as beautiful as it gets. That's what we call Pelau in Grenada. So that's what we call Grenada Pelau, guys. Beautiful, look good. I hope it tastes good. I'm gonna confirm. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that beautiful color. See. Cola. So that. Yes. Thank you. Starting the video. Oh man. My gosh. Confirm. It's really good, guys. I confirm. Confirmation. It's beautiful. It's nice and brown. It's soft. It's tender. And I had a little moist at the top, so a little juice in it. You don't get no dry rice. And at the bottom, you can get that bun done from the bottom. Oh. See color. Succulent. It's beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Try the chicken.
I'm starving.
Succulent. Beautiful. It's cicola and succulent. Hot. Burning me up, but tasting good. Give you a direct shot. It's a better shot over here. There we go. Direct contact. Yeah. Hot, 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 hot. This is good, guys. This is good. The brown peas or black peas or whatever, black beans, give it a kind of kick. On today's meat, I used chicken wings. One of my favorite meat. Favorite meat. See, falling off the bone. See cola. My bone. My dog. As you can see, guys, my doggy. Kaya. Ooh. I'm full. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Now one thing you know about learn about Pelau. It's very rich in flavor, rich in taste, rich. So you don't need a lot. Again, there are some people who just can't be satisfied. They eat and they eat and they eat. But this was good. Ooh. Excuse me. Excuse me. All right. Thanks for watching today's videos of my version of Pelau, Grenada Pelau. So, again, this is one of the most popular food around the world because it's, some people call it chicken Pelau, some people call it brown Pelau, some people call it Pelau, like most people call it Pelau. Like I said, I don't know where it's really from because Trinidad people say that's their food. And Africans also say that's their food. So Africans know it as Pelau as well. And with some part in, not some part, but with France and the whole of the Caribbean, and it's yeah, this Pelau thing is very big. It's very big. So thanks for watching, and again, see you in the next one. Peace, and as always, see cola.